we are keeping on that fun metallic gold train that we're on, and we are going to make golden apples today with an awesome golden drip. Welcome back to Shelly's Bakes Cakes. To make our golden candy apple, it's super simple, you guys. All we need is a saucepan, and we're gonna add 2 cups of sugar. Then we are going to add a half a cup of corn syrup, and then we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of water. We're gonna dump all that into our saucepan, and we are just gonna mix it up and get that sugar all melted nice. Once the sugar is not grainy in the bottom of your pan, stick one of your candy thermometers into the pan and let it boil until it hits 300. That is the hard crack candy stage. If you don't have a candy thermometer, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Watch your candy mixture, and when you pull it out with your spoon and you can see little strings, that means it's ready. While that candy mixture is boiling, you gotta get your apples ready. I'm using green Granny Smith apples because they're just the best. Wash them good. They have to be perfectly dry before you dip them in the candy. All right, now we're gonna pull out those stems really easily, and we're gonna stick our apple skewers right into our apples. You can use popsicle sticks for this. I just have these fun little apple skewers. I thought they were pretty cute, so we're sticking these sticks in. Once our candy mixture is up to the right temperature, we have to make these apples gold. All I'm using, guys, is Chef Master Metallic Gold. And when we're gonna drop this in, it's going to steam and bubble like crazy. So just back up a little bit, put a few drops, and then stir in that gold magic. Now that we're dipping our apples, just make sure to be careful. Just kind of lean the pan and just kind of twist those apples right in that candy mixture. Look at those apples turning gold already. Okay, once you're done, pull them out and set them on parchment paper. Parchment paper. I cannot stress enough. Do not put them on wax paper. Put them on parchment paper, and I promise you, you'll thank me later. Look at those golden apples. You guys, it's such a fun and easy thing to do. Just make sure to be careful because it is hot. All right, now we have my cake here. I just frosted it purple, and we're going to drip some gold drip down our cake. I'm gonna do the technique a little bit different than what I've showed you in my past metallic drip videos. So now we're gonna just make my gold drip as we made it in our last videos, except for I'm gonna do a little bit more. So instead of the 3/4 teaspoon, we're gonna do about a teaspoon of our metallic highlighter. Then we're gonna do about 1.5 teaspoon of our lemon extract, and then we'll do a tablespoon of our powdered sugar, and we'll just see how the consistency is. If you need to add a little bit more lemon extract, don't be afraid. It's all about consistency and getting the right thing for you. Now, instead of using a spoon to drip it down the sides like I've done in my past videos, I am just going to dump it right here on the top of our cake. You guys can see I'm just dumping it right on the top, and then I have my angled spatula, and then I'm just gonna push it right off the side. So it's more of like a messy, crazy drip. It's okay if this drip kind of goes all over. That's kind of what I'm going for. Our cake is nice and metallic and dripping and just so much fun. We're gonna add a few sprinkles because you know how I love my sprinkles. We're just gonna put those on the bottom of our cake. And now it's time to add that golden apple. All right, get it out of the fridge, and it's looking gold and shiny, and we're just gonna set this golden apple right on top of our cake, right in the middle, right there. We're just gonna put this golden apple right in the middle of our cake. Look at that, we have a golden apple cake. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching here at Shelly's Bakes Cakes as we made this golden candied apple, and then we made this golden cake to set the apple on. So much fun. I kind of made it more spooky. I put some spooky Halloween sprinkles because it's Halloween time. I think next time I'm gonna make a poison apple. What do you guys think? Should we do a black apple? I think that's what we're gonna do next. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.